Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to choose who can view your Facebook story. So on your phone, open up your Facebook app. Now tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and within Audience and Visibility, select Stories. Now on this page, you can configure who can see your stories. By default, Friends is chosen at the moment. You can select Public, which is everyone on Facebook, Friends, or Custom. If you choose Custom, you can specify an individual on Facebook. And that is how to choose who can view your Facebook story on your Facebook app. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.